Maayong buntag sa inyong lahat, and today is our day kasi we will do a house hunting. Currently we are in Davao City, so kailangan namin ng bahay kung saan kami mag-i-stay. So ang hinahanap naming bahay, at least malaki yung garahe para at the tatlong sasakyan pwede mong i-park. So simulan na natin today. Of course, kapag maayos, our check is ready. So let's check. Ouch. Clear mo natin dito. Oh my goodness. Why is it full? Oh, dito. Tingnan natin. Look. Property for sale. Check natin. And yes, i-check natin itong bahay na to dito sa Davao City. So, tanongin natin. Hello ma'am, good morning.
Good morning.
Hi. Pwede ba pumasok? Thank you. Yes. Mag-i-inquire lang po kami. Yes. So this is the property na for sale ni ma'am. So nagkasama na siyang sari-sari store. And dito siya, meron siyang parking, which is good for two. At sa labas, pwede din na siya. So pasok tayo dito. Look at that. So pag morning, we have the koi here. Look at the koi. And also, pag morning, magsa-coffee. Ayan, so pasukin naman natin yung loob. Pwede pumasok, ma'am? Thank you. Okay, so this will be the living room. So hindi pa siya nililinis masyado. Okay, so we have the kitchen. And meron siyang rooms, dalawa. So look at that. So meron na siyang kasamang air condition. So we also have room here. Ayan. So paglabas mo dito, CR, tapos paglabas mo dito, ito na siya. Okay, so tatanungin lang natin si Madam kung magkano ang property na ito. Magkano itong property niya na? 6 million. Okay, so ready na yung ating check. And if
Ready mo na
ever,
yung cheque, sir.
let's do it.